Check out this 2011 Toyota Sienna. The Sienna LE is part of a very special purchase of excess inventory out of a local corporate fleet. We hand-selected each one and made terrific buys due to a long-term relationship and our ability to pay cash and buy in volume. It has been very closely inspected and is free of any negatives on Carfax, no accidents, no salvage, no lemon law buyback, no police reports, no fire, no flood, no odometer discrepancies, and no theft recoveries. It has been completely reconditioned and serviced to like new standards. Immaculate inside and out, hurry supply is limited and this is a very special opportunity. This one is equipped with backup camera, power windows, power locks, cruise and more. For more information on this specific model, please click our link to AutoFile. Here at Folsom Lake Toyota, only the best of the best are chosen to be Toyota certified used vehicles. The Toyota Certified program combines the confidence of purchasing a new vehicle with the value of a used vehicle to provide a like-new ownership experience. It offers you a smart alternative to traditional used car options and gives you the peace of mind you are looking for in a used vehicle. Industry-leading features include 160-point inspection with reconditioning to Toyota's exacting and strict standards, Carfax vehicle history report, a factory-backed warranty valid at over 1,400 dealerships across the U.S. and Canada that features 12-month/12,000-mile comprehensive platinum-level coverage, 7-year/100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, 1-year roadside assistance plan, a factory and dealer commitment to customer satisfaction, 24 to 84-month financing terms, depending on vehicle age, current new vehicle interest rates, and 0 down payment maximum advances. Please call us for more information. Contact the dealership today at 916-355-1500.